French balance with the Salto. So you can refer back to our French balance video if you'd like. Otherwise, you're going to do a French balance. This starts in a hip key. Wrap your bottom leg 3 times, really high up to the groin. Bend that bottom leg. Arm goes through the center of the fabric, roll across to the back. This is your French balance. Now, in order to put your Salto on, you're going to hook that loose leg across both fabric poles, and you're going to lift up. You got to reach and thrust that hip forward, bring that fabric up. You're going to switch the arms to the front. From here, keep that leg bent. That's important. When you're ready, just let go. Arms out to the side to drop. This is also very important. To come out, just lift and unwind. This is your French balance with a Salto. Be sure to subscribe to our channel today to get the newest videos. See you then.